Hello, my name is Dickson Bonyo, Porini Chef. I would like to prepare some vegetarian soup for my clients. This is my ingredients I'm going to use for the preparation of my soup. And here we have the red apple, have sweet potato, have garlic, ginger, parsley, butter, and we also have salt and onion. Here also we have cinnamon ground and cumin ground and pepper, and we have the olive oil for frying. And here we also have the stock for the vegetable soup. So we start by frying the onion, garlic, ginger, we put together in the pan. So you fry them using the olive oil. We add garlic, ginger, and a little butter, tablespoon, just a little tablespoon also. And then after that, we fry it, we sweat it for some minutes, and because it is curried, must put little curry powder for the flavor, a little tablespoon. Then we fry it, add flavor in it, and then with some potato and red apple, we fry together for some time. A little salt for the flavor, and then we just wet it. And then you can also add cumin and cinnamon, just little. That is just but like a pinch. Cumin ground also. Right. And then from there, we add a little stock. We add our stock to the mixture. It and let it boil for some times. It can cook for some times. I'm also allowed to add some little pepper. Then you can cover it and let it cook for some minutes until it is well cooked, and then we blend it. My soup is ready, and let me now open the lid so that it cools down, and then we are going to blend it and smooth it for some times. It has taken about 25 to 30 minutes. So I have the blender here with me. Slowly blend it. After that, taste it first. Just a small. It is very nice. Just want to add a little pepper and Salt is okay. Little pepper. Good, it is done. Okay. See. My soup is ready for service. We are going to serve it. At least 1.5. And then we're going to garnish it using parsley. And then we have croutons, some croutons, at least 2 or 3 pieces. And then this soup is going to be served with the rosemary rolls, homemade rolls. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.